In this video, we're making gluten-free blackberry cheesecake mousse. The ingredients for the cookie crust are gluten-free flour, unsweetened cocoa, baking soda, salt, butter, brown sugar, granulated sugar, vanilla extract, and milk. The ingredients for the cheesecake mousse are heavy whipping cream, cream cheese, vanilla extract, powdered sugar, and blackberries. The ingredients for the whipped cream topping are heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract, and powdered sugar. To make the cookie crust, preheat the oven to 350 and line a baking sheet with parchment paper or grease it. Mix the flour, cocoa, baking soda, and salt and set aside. In a separate bowl, beat the softened butter and sugar and add in the vanilla and milk until well combined. Gradually add in the flour mixture. Use a small cookie scoop to drop mounds of dough onto the baking sheet, and with flour, press the mounds into flat discs. Bake for 10 minutes, then allow the cookies to cool. Place the cooled cookies in a food processor, pour melted butter over them, and pulse until well mixed. Place 2 tablespoons of the mixture into a serving dish and press into the bottom to form a crust layer. To make the cheesecake mousse, whisk the whipping cream, then add the softened cream cheese and beat until smooth. Wash and add the blackberries and beat until evenly combined. Add the vanilla and powdered sugar and mix on medium to low until smooth. Using a piping bag or spreading it with a spoon, place the mixture onto the cookie crumble crust. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour to set. To make the whipped vanilla cream topping, beat the whipping cream, slowly adding in the powdered sugar and vanilla extract. Add a spoonful on top of the cheesecake mousse and top with a fresh blackberry to serve.